everyone, and today we're going to be unboxing some things I got from Smith Toys Superstore. We're going to be making two parts. This part is what I know how to do. And the next part is going to need some bit of help by someone. Let's get on with it. Right, let's start with this. He looks so cute. In Smith Toys, it was £10. Let's try get it open. This is so hard to get open. I might have to tell someone to try open this for me. I got it. Instead of open it the way it says me to open, I break the rules and open it a different way. It's still satisfying just doing it around. Now I have to get this part off. It's so hard. There. Right. I've got it open. Looks like that. Oh, with another tear. So hard. Warning, these might be hard to open. Oh, I think I've got it. So annoying. My brother's just gonna help me for a sec. So sorry guys for the wait up. I'll try to get this open while my brother is trying to get that open. Right, my brother's just opening it.
Keep this door shut for rain.
We're waiting. Huh? You can go grab something if you want while you wait for this. My dad is just going to look for me first. Don't look. I'm not looking. You can look at it now, Harley. Put it back in, Harley. Is it in a blind bag, Harley?
No.
Put it back in the ball. Oh, goodness.
What do I have to do?
It's a mystery, guys. It's a mystery. We got a unicorn with Fruit Loops. No, what? This is one of the ones I wanted. It's got literal Fruit Loops. Ooh, what's that, Harley? Oh, stickers, isn't it? There's like a checklist. I might check this off on it. It has a little thing on the back. Even though you might not see it. Right, Harley, can you help me open this? You can go grab something while we wait for this to be opened. might want to name him. I would name him Rainbow, since he has rainbow loops and he's a unicorn and he has rainbow hair. What would you name him? My brother's going to look in it. So they're in blind bags. Can I? Okay, you make a taste for them. And then I'll get them. Right, the first one I'm going to be opening. And then I'll get to look at my brother's. I think my brother got the squishy. Oh, I got a mystery figure and I got Boxy. This was £20, guys. Oh, and the squishy, I also got Boxy. Ooh. Let's open it again. I got another Boxy. What? Ooh. Oh, I think I got another squishy. I got a figure and it was Rocky. Whoa. I got some tattoos, I think. All their stickers. It says on the box you got 2 mystery figures. Oh yeah. I'm an idiot. I'm just going to get everything assembled and I will show you everything I got. I'm just obsessed with squishy. Plush. This Boxy. On top of that. We have got I'm sorry guys, I'm not very good at this. I'm not sure how you would do it. Like, I'm so sorry, I'll just show it to you, like, with hand. Right, first up, we got this unicorn. She's really cute, she has Fruit Loops. We also got these stickers, LankyBox stickers. We've got this LankyBox Poppet, a Boxy Poppet. Let me know if you know any of the other characters in LankyBox, except Foxy. And we got this Boxy figure. It's really cute. We also got this Rocky, and it's going to be called Dwayne The Rock Johnson. And we got this Boxy Squishy. I hope you enjoyed this part, and I hope you go watch the other part. Newly said bye.